Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ahlan ya Jamil wa Jamilah, grade 9. Ahlan bik. Sabahul khair, sabahul nur, sabahul ful, sabahul ward. Ya salam munawarin. Allahu khalik. Kaif halukum habibi wa habibti, grade 9. I hope all of you khair. LN Yomul Arbi'ah, September 23, 2020. Ana Mu'alimah Siti Hajar SPD. I am back for teach you geography. LN, we are going for new chapter. The big title is Change in Socio-Cultural Life Indonesian Nation in Facing Globalization Flow. LN, we are only going for discussion about some of subtitle. But before we start, let us say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah bina nabda'un nasyad. The indicator of this material is students are able to explain about the meaning of socio-cultural change, characteristic, and example of socio-cultural change. LN, you have one scientific word and you must remind and memorize this scientific. The scientific is socio-cultural change. Socio-cultural change. Socio-cultural change. Socio-cultural change. Kaman marah. Socio-cultural change. The meaning is perubahan sosial budaya. We are going for our material, socio-cultural change and globalizations. In this material, we have 3 subtitles for a study or discussion about the socio-cultural change and globalization. But the first is socio-cultural change. And then next, the essence of globalization and the impact of globalization and efforts to face globalization. But for today, we focus for the socio-cultural changes. For our discussion today, I will tell you about the meaning of socio-cultural change and the characteristic, also the example of socio-cultural change. A. Socio-cultural change. 1. The nature of socio-cultural change. Socio-cultural change is a common symptom that occurs in every society. This change occurs in line with human nature, which always wants to change. Humans are always never satisfied with what they achieve. They are always trying to find something new that is better than before. Now we are going for the meaning or the definition of social change. Social change. According to sociology figure Sela Somarjan, social change is a change in social institutions in a society which affects its social system, including values, attitudes, and behavior among groups in society. بعد ذلك هذه the meaning of cultural change. Cultural change. According to Kunchara Ningrat, cultural change is a process of shifting, subtracting, adding, and developing elements in a culture. Aspects of cultural change, namely 1. Tool and equipment for living, 2. Livelihoods and an economic system, 3. Social system, 4. Language, 5. Art, 6. A knowledge system, and 7. Religions or belief systems. The main factor of cultural change, namely innovations, discovery, and invention. So, now we are going for the meaning or the definition of socio-cultural change. Kingless Davis once stated that social change is part of cultural change. However, the social change and cultural change have overlapped. Therefore, to cover these two changes, these two terms are combined into a socio-cultural change. These some of characteristic socio-cultural change. 1. There is no society whose development stops because every society changes either slowly or quickly. 2. Change that occur in certain social institutions will be followed by change in other social institutions. 3. Quick change usually results in chaos while this happens because people have to learn to adapt to the change that occur. 4. Change to change cannot be limited to the material or spiritual sphere. The two fields are interrelated. Habibi wa Habibti Jamil wa Jamila grade 9. For make you easy to understand about our this material, I give you example. 1. Gojek. Gojek is an application that provides various services for the needs of the community through online service currently has a considerable impact on human life. For example, to eat, people no longer need to go out of the house. They can use the GoFood service to order food from home, and a few minutes later, the food order fee got home. The second example, rice farming and paddy fields is one of the livelihoods for rural communities in Indonesia. In the past or at the moment, planting rice in rice fields required a lot of labor or farmers. But now, to grow rice in rice fields, you can use a tool that is only run by one person, or what is called a chain tractor. Agricultural technology has a big impact on people's lives in rural areas. طيب حبيبي وحبيبتي جميل وجميلة grade 9 كفاية for our material today. هل من مزيد من السؤال? If you have any question you can ask to me directly. Okay, see you, keep healthy, stay at home. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.